Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. You've created a DistroKid account. You'd now like to buy one of their packages. Today I'm going to show you how you can make those payments a monthly recurring payment. Let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you can see over here there are 3 plans. You can check them out in more detail on their official website. But for now, when you are subscribing, choose the monthly billing option instead of annual payment to spread the cost throughout the year. Yes, it will cost a little bit more, but if you're not wanting to do a full dedication of 12 months and pay upfront, then this is the way to do it. Add your preferred payment method then. This will include Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, Google Pay, or even Apple Pay for your recurring charges. Activate your automatic payments to prevent service interruptions. And of course, keep your music streaming continuously. As I said, you can go ahead and check out which plan will work for you on their official website. I hope this was helpful.